A number. Just 3 digits. And somehow, it controls whether you eat, sleep, or drown in debt. They called it a credit score, built to measure trust. It became a leash around your financial neck. Marcus was 27, had a job, paid his rent on time, and still got rejected for a basic car loan. The bank lady looked at him like he was invisible. "Your score is too low," she said. End of conversation. The credit score system started in 1989. Before that, loans were decided by gut feeling and handshakes. Fair Isaac Corporation dropped FICO. Banks loved it. Suddenly, everyone had a number attached to their name. Marcus had never missed a bill, but he also had almost no credit history. That was the trap's first jaw. No debt history means no score. No score means no loan. No loan means no history. Welcome to the loop. Then, someone told Marcus the secret. Get a credit card, spend a little, pay it back, build the score. 30%. That's the magic utilization number they tell you. Use 30% of your limit. No more. Marcus followed the rules perfectly. Tiny purchases, full payments, watching the number slowly tick upward. FICO scores range from 300 to 850. Below 580, you're subprime. Above 740, the doors start swinging open. And then, Phil Garner at the credit card company spotted Marcus climbing. He saw an opportunity, not a customer. A pre-approved offer landed in Marcus's mailbox. $5,000 limit. 0% for 12 months. Marcus felt seen. Finally, rewarded for doing things right. He signed it that same afternoon. The card companies bet that good customers become loyal ones. Loyal ones become dependent ones. That's the business model. "Didn't you get a second card offer?" Rosa asked him that winter. "Yeah," he said. "I took it." 2 cards. 6 months later, a third arrived. His score was soaring. His spending was quietly following. Phil's company was charging 24% APR. Marcus barely noticed. The minimum payment felt so manageable. The average American carries over $5,000 in credit card debt, not because they're reckless, because the system is built that way. One month, Marcus's hours got cut at the store. Just a little, not enough to panic, or so he thought. He paid the minimum, just the minimum. That's when the compound interest machine switched fully on. On a $5,000 balance, paying minimum only, it takes over 14 years to clear. You'll pay double. Marcus checked his score. It had dropped, not because he spent more, because his utilization ratio shifted. Utilization is 30% of your score. Spend too much of your limit, and the system punishes you automatically. He tried opening a new card for more available credit, but the hard inquiry knocked the score down more. Hard inquiries, soft inquiries, late payments, credit, mix, length of history, 5 factors, all designed to confuse you. Phil never lost sleep. Every confused customer was a profitable customer. Confusion is the product. Credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion are private companies, not government, not protection, just data merchants. They sold Marcus's financial profile, legally, to every bank, insurer, and landlord willing to pay for it. In 2017, Equifax leaked 147 million people's data. Nobody went to jail. The score system kept running. Marcus missed one payment. His score plummeted 35 points in a single night. Building a score takes years. Losing it takes 30 days. That asymmetry is not an accident. It is a design choice. Diana at the bank called. Her voice was pleasant. Her news was not. His loan application was denied again. Denial means higher rates elsewhere. Higher rates mean more debt. More debt means lower scores. The trap closes. "This system is rigged," Marcus told Rosa. "No," she said quietly. It's just not built for you. Studies show credit scores correlate heavily with zip codes. Zip codes correlate with race and inherited wealth. Follow the math. Rosa had been documenting this for years, building an audience, turning numbers into stories people could finally feel. She had 2 million followers watching her dissect the trap live. Every week, a new mechanism. Every week, new outrage. Meanwhile, Congress had received over $400 million from financial industry lobbyists over the prior decade. Just for context, Marcus hit a wall. Debt on 3 cards. Score still damaged. No emergency fund. No safety net. Just the trap. He learned something that week. Settling a debt in collections hurts your score. Even paying it off looks bad. He called Diana. She offered him a debt consolidation loan at 18%. Take it or leave it, her tone said. The system doesn't want you free of debt. It wants you in debt just enough to keep paying. Forever. With interest. Rosa posted a 3-step guide. Pay down to under 10% utilization. Automate payments. Do not close old accounts. Closing an old account kills your average account age-wise. That's 15% of your score gone in seconds. Marcus took notes on everything Rosa posted, printed it, taped it above his desk. A survival map for the system. 9 months later, his score had climbed back, not because the system changed, because he learned its secret language. He got the car loan, lower rate than he expected. He called Rosa. I played their game, he said, and I won. But the trap was still there. For the next Marcus, and the one after that, millions entering it daily. Phil got a bonus that quarter, a large one. His company posted record profits. The trap never stops paying him. Rosa looked into the camera. You are not your score, she said, but they want you to believe you are. The score system is a mirror built by banks to show you only what they want you to see about yourself. Some countries are moving away from the FICO model. Germany, Canada, parts of the EU, exploring alternatives. The system is not eternal. Marcus still checks his score every month. Not with fear anymore, with strategy. That's the only real power you get. The trap is a game. The rules are hidden on purpose, but once you see them, you stop being prey and start being a player. Phil never lost either. That's the honest part nobody tells you. The house always gets its cut. Always. 45 million Americans have no credit score at all. Not bad credit. No credit. Invisible to the entire system. Rosa looked at Marcus one last time. The score tells them who you were, not who you are. Never forget that. A number. Just 3 digits. And now you know exactly what it is, what it isn't, and who it was built to serve.